So I keep charging things. Okay, that's recording. So, what am I doing and why am I doing this? What I've been noticing is she has been reacting to a lot of just anything that's high emotion. It's like she reacts to emotion from me, or maybe from anybody who's around her, but she reacts. And so I'm going to see how that works. We're going to put on something kind of scary-esque. We're going to put on scary noises. turned up quite loud. So that's just been a problem lately that I've been told is my audio sucks, which I'm not saying it doesn't. Now I'm going to do demonic. Demon possession, maybe? What the Okay. This is called ASMR Relaxing Demonic Text Reading / Summoning. I don't know how I feel about that. Wow, what is this? You know, whenever I say that it seems like she's walking around, I mean, look, I've never seen this. You can look back through all my videos. I've never seen her having stuffing coming out of her foot like she is walking around. She is moving somewhere. I mean, I'm gonna have to repair that. So. Pretty sure that was just my neighbors.
Missing 411, The Hunted, which is out today. According to one of the original members of the camp, Ron Moorhead, the most notable instances of strange events is one that occurs most often in the evening. Ron first heard the sound in 1971 as they were accustomed to the call of the wild. Like bear growls or bird songs, the group of hunters was able to easily distinguish the sound that graced their ears from that of something commonly heard in the forest at night. The yowls and cries of an unidentified creature, possibly multiple, echoed throughout the forest.
This is interesting.
Quick to take action, the men
Oops.
retreated to their shelter and began to record the creepy sounds. The hunters mimicked the sounds they heard, only to be met with the same unusual cries. Take a listen.
The creek at the big rocks.
They submitted their recordings to Dr. R. Lynn Curlin, a professor of electrical engineering at the University of Wyoming. Based on the pitch and sound, the men had recorded multiple creatures, and they were estimated to have stood between 7'3" and 8 foot. When explored further,
It sounded like people out in the woods. I want to hear that again.
There's two of them across the creek at the big rocks.
That right there.
they submitted their
That
recordings to Dr. R.
part
Lynn Curlin, a
is
professor of
weirdest
electrical
because that
engineering
sounds like
at the University of Wyoming. Based on the
somebody.
pitch and sound, the men had recorded multiple creatures, and they were estimated to have stood between